manifesting anything you want, tips and tricks. We all have dreams and desires that we want to see come to life. From fame to fortune, love, health, or even spiritual enlightenment, there's always something on our minds that we wish to manifest. But how can you make your dreams a reality? In this blog post, we're going to dive deep into the world of manifesting and show you how to bring anything you want into your life. Shift your mindset. The first step in the journey towards manifesting anything you want is to shift your mindset. Many people believe that they're not worthy or capable of achieving their goals, and this self-limiting belief keeps them from attracting abundance into their lives. The key to breaking this cycle is to remind yourself that you're worthy and deserving of everything you want. Embrace the belief that anything is possible and that you have the power to create the life you want. Visualize your dreams. Next, visualize your dreams in a detail-oriented manner. See yourself with what you want. Feel yourself as if you already have it. It means that you have to put yourself in the mindset of being excited and content that it's already with you. When you visualize, make sure you're using all 5 senses to make it as realistic as possible. When you visualize, you're fueling your subconscious mind with your desires and acting as though it already happened, so it will lead you to manifesting anything you want. Take action. After you've shifted your mindset and begin visualizing your dreams, the next step is to take action. The universe rewards action, not just intention alone. If there's something you want to bring into your life, take the first step. Do your research, figure out a plan, and take the action towards your goal. When you take action, you're positively influencing the vibrations around you, making it easier for you to manifest whatever you want. Trust the process. The next tip is to trust the process. There will be times when things won't go as expected, but it's crucial to trust that the universe has your back and trust your intuition when faced with challenges. When you believe in the process, you are more prepared to cope with any adverse circumstances. Trust and self-belief is the key to making your dreams come true. Gratitude, attitude. Lastly, having the attitude of gratitude will make a big difference in enhancing the manifestation process. Gratitude allows for more things to come into your life. It's not just about materialistic goods, but mostly about the simple things in life and being mindful of your blessings. When you are grateful, the universe will continue to give back to you. As your mind becomes more focused on what you already have and are grateful for, you'll begin to see more opportunities to be grateful for. That's the beauty of the law of attraction. If you want to manifest anything you want, it's crucial to shift your mindset, visualize your dreams vividly, take action, trust the process, and have an attitude of gratitude. These tips will serve as a guide towards manifesting a positive and abundant life. Ultimately, it's about believing that you are worthy and deserving of your desires, and the universe will follow your lead. Remember to practice patience, be persistent, and trust the journey, and watch your dreams become a reality.